Hey YouTube, this is Sancode and welcome back to another unboxing video, and today I'm gonna unbox the brand new Mi A3 from Xiaomi. This phone launched in 21st August in India and I managed to get my hands on of this. Well, I have the 464 GB version and the not just blue variant of this phone. This also comes with a 6 GB 128 GB version and the other two colors, gray and no, more than white. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's unbox it. So let's open this up, and the first thing comes in the box is this accessory box, and let's open this and see what's inside. Well, so we have a silicone soft cover, some warranty papers, and quick start guide, and this image action tool. Let's put it aside, and here comes the new Mi A3. So this is the not just blue version, and this really looks nice. I personally prefer this one, and the white one is also nice. The gray one is just okay. So first put it aside and get the other accessories out. So this is the standard 10-watt charger which is comes in this box, and the phone is also supported with a fast charger of 18 watt. So you just need to buy an adapter. This is the type C cable that you will require. So let's put this aside and take the phone. So it comes with a 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and 5 megapixel depth sensor. So this is a triple camera setup, and the front camera is 32 megapixel. It also comes with a in-display fingerprint scanner, and this is just an unboxing video guys, and I will do a detailed review video of this phone. So stay tuned, and if you're not subscribed yet to the channel, then subscribe it. Thank you for watching guys, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.